Guys, I'm in Water Village and this is crazy. This side of the Water Village in Brunei, this is the poor side. So there is a lot of division even in Brunei. Do you speak English? You don't speak English. Chinese? What what language do you speak? हेलो नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस नवी वीडियो में गाइस दिस इज़ द सेकंड वीडियो फ्रॉम ब्रुनेई फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन तो मैं आप लोगों को क्या दूं आई वाज थिंकिंग टू मेक अ फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन वीडियो बट फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन ऑफ अस was so bad yesterday. She's begging on the street, you can see she's asking money guys. So Brunei is considered the rich country, but there are so many poor people who are Bruneian, who come from Malaysia, Indonesia, like this. You never know, and country is a little bit messed up. So our first impression yesterday was horrible, pathetic. आप लोग पिछली वीडियो जाके देख सकते हैं. You can check out my previous vlog. So we are just crossing the road and walking also, and there are no zebra crossing in most part of the city. This country, and it is more rich than Malaysia. Welcome to Brunei. It is one of the richest countries in the world because of its oil reserves. It has lot of pucha. No, I cannot take you. So today is our second day and we are planning to go to world's biggest water village. Let's see how it will be. So let's start our day. This is, one second, I want to ask the price for petrol. Oh, what's the, maybe written there. No, I cannot see really. For petrol? Okay, thank you. Okay. Guys, 1 liter of petrol is around 53 Bruneian cents. That means almost 30 cents in US dollar. So cheap. Oil here is so cheap. They have it, yeah, they have a lot of it. Hey,
They have the resource.
exactly, wow. 30 cents, but not cheaper than Iran. No. Maybe restaurant there. तो हमने फिर ब्रेड ही ऑर्डर करा. मेन्यू में ब्रेड था. इसमें मक्खन डला हुआ है और ट्रेडिशनल मलेशियन ब्रुनियन जाम लगी हुई है जो घर की बनी होती है. ये लोग काया बोलते हैं.
So 80 baht.
Guys, people told us there is no bus and we did not even see bus since yesterday. Then suddenly we were planning to hitchhike and we saw a bus. And so many Indian people in the bus actually. So huh? Oh, okay.
So you will be happy now. Yeah.
Welcome to Brunei. We are so happy today. We are going to the world's biggest water village, guys. Let's go. I swear to God, we were so shocked when we saw bus. We did to the bus stop for us, and then we just went in. And we are going. Guys, this country is so crazy. It's so tiny. It is very rich, but the basic infrastructure just runs on luxury. Like everybody moves around with car. There is no proper management for tourists or for people who don't have money. I think majority of the local population have good money, but still. $1? Bigo? Okay.
What's the meaning?
$1.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Let's go, guys. So $1. Hello. This is like Bandar area, Bandar Seri Bhagawan main downtown also, one of the downtown area, and we have took the water taxi. We are in the boat. And let's go to world's biggest
Okay, yeah.
water village and let's see how is the situation and explore.
We go to the water village, right?
Yeah.
You have a market in here?
World biggest water village.
Oh, water village. Okay. Water village.
There are 2 more passengers, I think.
Okay.
And the
They'll take more
water.
people, yeah?
Yeah, more people. And the island is not too far, it's very near. You can swim even.
It's like a public bus.
Yeah. We have 2 more passengers. So this is the water taxi, guys. Today is a good day finally. Yesterday in Brunei was crazy, horrible, pathetic.
Hello.
We have reached. So guys, welcome to Kampong Ayar. This is the local name of this place, also known as the water village, and it was quite near, just a 2-minute ride from the water taxi. And we will be exploring this world largest water village in Brunei.
Jake.
It's like a island. Is there information on Chinese Google?
Jake.
Okay,
It
she's
have no signal now. here.
oh, maybe,
No
yeah.
signal.
She was trying to see about Kampong Ayar on Chinese Google, but no signal. Okay, we can walk just. Also known as Venice of Brunei. So यहाँ पे 30,000 के लगभग लोग रहते हैं, 30,000 people. And they have souvenir shops at the entrance for tourists. They have houses, they have schools, they have hospital. तो इस वीडियो में, in this video I will show you how people live here and what is the situation. ये देखिए, ये पानी से ऊपर थोड़ा प्रोटेक्शन के लिए लकड़ से बना रखे हैं इन्होंने ताकि क्लीन रहे. और ये ऐसे दुकानें हैं, लोगों के घर हैं. This is restaurant, I think so. A private gym. I've not-
Malaysia have the name bridge like this.
Same.
Yeah, not
Oh.
so same, but it's the I think the logic is
The same. Okay,
Yeah?
understand.
That's in the sea. It's
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the river.
To keep
yeah,
up.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, this is the gym. Whoa, nice. Thing is like museum, but it says danger construction area, keep out. So museum is closed and the population is so less, only 30,000 people, and not maybe everyone is inside the village right now. So we will just walk around. Hello, do you speak English? You don't speak English. Chinese? What language do you speak?
Malay.
Okay, but you understand me when I ask you question. So guys, this side the water is coming and this is the house, so you can see right here the water is coming back now. It's the time for tide to move in another direction. So almost like half, because we can see the green thing. So almost 40% gets covered in the water. Wow. On the map it looks like island, but this is not really island. I have seen only these things in the whole area, and by that side the place is almost finished. So this is almost 1,000-year-old settlement or more. Same concept like hello. it feels like same concept like Bajau tribes who live inside the ocean by building this kind of houses. Only difference is this one is very much modern. See, this is the water settlement of ब्रूनई. एंड भाई आप लोगों को अगर नहीं पता तो ब्रूनई में भाई महाराज किंग का राज है, मोनार्की चलती है यहाँ पे और किसी तरह की सरकार नहीं है. एंड उसी सुल्तान के पास सारे पैसे, हुकूमत, सब कुछ है. बट कहा जाता है कि कंट्री बहुत रिच है एंड अच्छी तरह से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रखा है. इस साइड देखिए, अब हम नीचे उतरे हैं. वी हैव केम डाउन फ्रॉम दिस एरिया टू दिस साइड एंड देयर आर some old fashioned houses also, like this one and this one. So let's try to walk. Can you imagine we are doing this in Brunei? I didn't know about this since 4-5 days ago. Like crazy. लाइफ इन ब्रुनई. ये देखिए, ये पाइपलाइन है इधर. इस तरीके से जुगाड़ है भाई पाइपलाइन का भी. ऑल्सो अबव सी लेवल. पूजा, हाउ आर यू? Oh, she went back. Oh, sorry. Guys, this is me. I have lost the weight again. Oh. 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 How are you? You are so cute. Ah. Do you need pet? Oh. You need pet. Oh. I don't have food.
You don't have any food.
I don't have no food. They are going up, down, up, down. Wow, it's not really so safe if you don't walk carefully. These wooden blocks are half broken sometimes in a rich country like Brunei. They say apparently this water village have school, police station, this, that, and we are trying to find. I think this is one of the school. Maybe it looks pinkish, bluish for kids probably, but we saw one mosque also, so go towards the mosque. And there is nobody. I don't see people. Maybe they go to the mainland for work and to make money. I asked this local person where is school and hospital. Oh, hello. Where is hospital, school?
Go the GT.
GT.
In GT. You say hospital school.
Oh, he take us hospital.
Ah.
Oh,
What?
taxi boat again. Okay.
Take a boat.
Oh no, I don't want to take taxi boat to see hospital. Let's leave it next time. Guys, I'm in water village and this is crazy. This side of the water village in Brunei, this is the poor side. So there is a lot of division even in Brunei. I don't think everybody is rich. This side is like so old, but when you enter, that side is so luxury. There were big houses, big building, but this side it looks poor. It's like a village and old houses. So a difference even in the water village. So we are doing the same. Let's go. Jin, let's go. Do you think they will let us go inside the mosque?
Yes.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? I
We
think so.
we don't have hijab today. I don't think.
Yeah.
No. Ah. But let's try. See, this is the bridge between the mainland and the water village. Welcome to Brunei. Can we see mosque? Mosque? Woman? Yeah.
Can we join?
Oh,
Oh yeah. These are just the round.
no?
No.
Oh.
Outside. Okay. Inside.
He said without hijab we cannot go.
Yeah.
Okay, that's understandable. Yeah, guys, I should have. Maybe tomorrow. This is the mosque, guys. And we'll try another mosque another day. Go back?
Go back. Go back.
Shopping mall? Oh, okay.
Try Almond Hills.
Okay, you go by jetty?
Oh no, you have to go by car.
By car, that side, from the bridge.
I think far.
Far?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you from?
India.
Oh, your friend?
Yeah, China.
Oh, hello. Very nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Guys, you can see the mainland. Let me zoom in. So that is the mainland that we are going now. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's good.
We go bus station Gadong. सो गाइज रेस्टोरेंट है अलनूर रेस्टोरेंट एंड मैंने ऑर्डर करा दाल एंड चावल और लस्सी. सो लेट्स डिग इन. भाई बहुत भूख लग रही है. चीनी वाला खाना खा खा के मैं पागल हो गई थी. अरे मसाला ना भी हो ना, आई कैन ईट इवन इफ देयर इज़ नो मसाला इन फूड. आई कैन ईट विदाउट मसाला, बट चीनी. अरे यार, इंडोनेशिया, थाईलैंड, मलेशिया, इन देशों में चीनी डालते हैं खाने में. हिलारियस. इट्स ये क्या है? हाँ, ओके, थैंक यू. भाई पापड़ भी. थैंक यू. So I came to the restaurant. They gave welcome drink. They gave starter, papdi chaat. They gave pickle. They gave papadam. Indian restaurants are the best. Indian food. I am so happy. My stomach feels full finally. I was tired of sugar. Lot of sugar. But it's raining now. And hotel is not so far. Can she drop me? But no, she's going that side. So guys, it's evening time and we are just walking around in Brunei. Quite a isolated country, not so much tourism. She's showing me the car here on display. So, and there is no way, a good way to walk. There is no way to walk. Imagine we are walking like this on a wet grass, and the country doesn't have a good, doesn't have a good public transport. The public transport is very bad. After dinner, we have came here in the shopping mall of Brunei to explore. Jing, what you think about the mall?
It's not it's don't like a rich countries shopping mall. Yeah.
She said it doesn't look like a rich country shopping mall, it looks like a local.
Yeah.
So there are some deserts.
Yeah.
This is so expensive.
Yeah, very good fancy.
Guys, one piece is $2.50. This is so much.
Yeah, so small.
For example, this olive oil is like 10 Bruneian dollar. So, you can take example like this is tomato puree can. One can is like almost 2.5 or 190. I think this brand, 2.55. So which is like almost like $2 or $1.90. Oh, mint jelly. Why so expensive? 4.20. So these are pickle, 2.65. This is how people in Brunei shop. You can see local people are here to do the shopping, to buy food. And it's a big supermarket, they have food, and then that side they have some clothes and electronics as well. So you buy something? No?
Water.
Maybe water. Okay. Okay. We just walking and then we go back. That's it. Milo. Bhai, this is so famous now in around Southeast Asia. Milo, everyone drinks this. Oh my goodness. Hot Milo, iced Milo. All of them are just drinking this. This is very famous. If you don't know, you don't know. But I think you know. और सब बढ़िया फिलहाल. बाकी tomorrow we go to the mosque. For today the day is done. Time almost हो रहा है 8:49. It's almost 8:49. So I will end this video here and I will meet you guys in the next video. How was your day, Jean? Good?
Okay. Just
Okay,
so
normal,
it's okay.
yeah.
Normal day.
Did-
Yes,
did-
normal
did you
day.
like-
Quiet. Very
Did you
quiet.
like Brunei?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. See you guys in the next vlog.